can I get 2 salmon avocado? Okay, so I'm heading back now because Alicia's ready and we're gonna go to the beach today. Okay, so we just got back. My makeup is so good. I wanted to show you guys. Look, I got these sunglasses. They look cool. Burger King, Hungry Jack's. We got gelato. I got chocolate. What did you get?
Lemon and oh my gosh.
Is it good?
Mint, yes. It's so good.
Okay, the spoons are edible.
We've just settled an age-old debate on if these spoons are edible. Because I was like, it tasted like chocolate. And then Vivian was like, no, it's wood. You're eating a piece of wood right now.
Yeah. And then I started eating it and my spoons started disappearing. So I started eating my spoons. And we Googled it and it's edible. Yep.
Going down.
We got rice? I really don't know. But anyways. I'm gonna try the chicken first. Guys, I just had to sleep on my floor. So I had to clean my sheets and now they're all wet. But I mean, I'm in a pretty good sleep, so it's fine.